In this video, we will show how to import the Keras Segmentation model into Map Engine in order to perform image segmentation on your satellite or drone imagery. As mentioned in previous videos, you can easily import files as byte.io objects into Map Engine, but the exact parsing can cause difficulties. So in this video, we present a detailed tutorial on how to get this done properly. First, we define a Keras model on our local machine. Now, imagine we wish to import this segmentation model into a Map Engine workflow. The easiest way to do this is to store the model as a JSON file on our local disk. Now we have to upload this to Ellipsis Drive in order to be able to use it within Map Engine. To this end, we go to Ellipsis Drive, click the New button at the top left, and pick New File from the drop-down menu. We then select our JSON file and upload it. Once the upload is completed, we click the context menu for the uploaded file. We pick Integrate and copy-paste the file ID. Now imagine we wish to apply our model to the following layer. We need to prepare a Map Engine environment specifying both the path ID and the timestamp ID of the layer we wish to classify, as well as the path ID of the file ID containing our model. Furthermore, we need to specify the Python version and packages we wish to use, as well as the number of nodes we wish to parallelize over. This code will create an environment on Map Engine that we can use to execute our logic. We are now ready to define a function that parses the Keras model and executes the model on the layer. We have now successfully written a function that can load the Keras model that we had locally. We can test our implementation by executing the function on Map Engine. This means that the function was able to successfully parse our model. As our next step, we would like to use this model to create a classification layer based on some input layer. For this next step, check out the next video. See you there.